Hello children, in our last class we discussed the chapter number 6th completely. Now we are going to discuss the chapter number 7 from today onward. Chapter number 7, that is triangle. So we will have to understand some law related to triangle. First of all, before moving on एक्सरसाइज. सो एक्सरसाइज पे चलने से पहले हम लोगों को थोड़े से लॉस के डिस्कस करने पड़ेंगे. दैट विल बी यूजफुल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. देयर आर सम लॉज. देयर आर टू वर्ड्स, कॉन्ग्रुएंस and similar. We will use two words, one word here, congruence and similar. Congruence means two figure, those overlap to each other, means the figure those are perfectly same. Suppose your max book overall same, your max book is same. The both books, two book of max are overlap to each other. यानी two book जो है मैथमेटिक्स की वो एक दूसरे को कर लेती हैं, ओवरलैप कर लेती हैं. तो these figures are called congruence. Means the figures will perfectly same. So these figures are called congruence. Suppose your two hands, these are similar because these are overlap to each other. These can overlap to each other, and these two markers, these are also same, and these are perfectly same. So we can say these both markers are congruence. Now similar shape are same but size are different. Suppose one book of class 9th and one book of class 10th. Shape is cuboid. Both shape are cuboid, but the same size can be different. And two pen or pencil, you can say. So similar figure means size are different. Size are different, but shape are same. Shape are same. And congruence figure are perfectly same. Same figure. Figure are perfectly same. And next we will use four law related to triangle in this chapter. First law, S. In a triangle, in two triangle, if in two triangle, suppose these are two triangles A, B, C, D, E and F. If both subtriangles are same or congruent, so if all three sides, this side will equal to this side, this will equal to this, and this side will equal to this. So we can say both triangles are congruent. All three sides, as for side, as for side, as for side. So if in two triangles, the all three sides are same, we can say corresponding sides are same, then the triangle will be congruence. First law. Second law, SAS. We can say this SAS. And the third law, AAS, or we can say that ASA. Okay. So the next law, SAS. If in two triangle, two sides are same, two sides are with same length, and the angle between the same sides are also same, then we can say the given triangles are congruent. Suppose this side is equal to this side and this side will equal to this side. The length of this figure line this, suppose 1 centimeter, and this is also 1 centimeter. You can say this 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. And the angle between the same line, suppose this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. So we can say these figures are congruent with the law of SAS. This is the SAS law. S and the angle between the same line will be same. So we can say the given triangles are congruent with the law of SAS, SAS. The another law, AAS or AS, SAS, AS, triple S. AS law. What is the AS law? If in two triangles, any two angles, and one side are same, then we can say the triangles are congruent with the law of AS. Suppose this one and this one. These are two triangles. This angle 60 degree and this suppose 30 degree. This is 30 degree and you can say this 60, or any one side. Suppose this side, if this side is equal to this side, so we can say the triangles are congruent with the law of AS. So SAS, AS, triple S. SAS, AS, triple S. These are three laws related to triangle to show the given triangle congruence. Now the next law, there is another law, RHS. We will discuss this law when we discuss the exercise. So next, now come to the exercise.